Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing two products which I recently bought from Nykaa. So one is this Maybelline Fitme foundation and the other one is Maybelline Fitme concealer. So I have already used this foundation earlier, like long back. I don't know, I was pretty impressed that time, but I just want to see how this new foundation, the new formula looks like. And also I saw a lot of people suggesting this Maybelline Fitme concealer in drugstore products. So I thought, let me just give this a try. So let's see what I feel about these two products. Alright, so let's start with the concealer first. This is in shade medium. So this concealer is for 475 rupees, and you know, Nykaa usually runs some or the other kind of discounts. Alright, so just applying this. It comes with a nice wand, easy to use. I'm just applying this on these spots also to see how well they cover my spots and these dark circles. Blending it with the help of a brush. Guys, this concealer is very easy to blend, and it's blended so well in my skin. I think it's great. And plus it's very like non-sticky, it's not that heavy. Usually when I apply Huda concealer or Tarte concealer, those concealers are like really heavy concealers because they're full coverage concealers. You don't even need a foundation after those concealers, but this one is really light. It like I can't feel anything on my skin. I can't feel that there is a product that's come on my skin. It's not sticky at all and very easy to blend. So you can spot the difference between the two. I think it looks absolutely great, and the shade is going very well with my skin. I love concealers that come with this wand. The application becomes so much more easier and less messy. So guys, this is how the dark circles now look after this Maybelline concealer, and also I feel these spots are visible. But let's see how this foundation works, if it's able to cover all these spots. But however, yeah, for everyday use, I would definitely recommend this because you need something when you're going for work or when you're just in an office, something. You definitely need a light concealer and a foundation which just feels like your second skin and is not too heavy, so that you don't feel that stickiness and that thing that you have makeup on all the time. Like, I really don't feel that I have something on my skin right now. Easy to blend, feels very light on the skin, and yeah, quite affordable. It's just 475 rupees. So let's move on to the foundation. So this is a matte poreless Fitme foundation. It says normal to oily skin, so this will give you a matte finish and not the dewy finish. The shade that I have with me is 220 natural beige. So this is a 30 ml bottle, and this is for 549 rupees. Awesome! It comes with a pump. That's the best part about any foundation bottle. If it comes with a pump, it becomes so much more easier to carry our foundations because then there is no leakage. It doesn't look messy at all when you open the cap. Usually the bottles without the pump, you know, will have foundation all over. It becomes difficult to take it out. Then you end up, you know, dirtying your finger, your hands, everything. Full marks on packaging. I love the packaging of this Maybelline foundation, and guys, 550 rupees. That's really affordable, I would say. Just applying a little bit here with the pump.
So guys, I am blending it with the help of this foundation brush. If I have to just say one word for this foundation, I would say smooth. It's very smooth and easy to blend. It's getting absorbed in my skin very well. It is little runny and watery, and that's what makes it easy to blend. Also, I like the finish. It's giving me a very natural finish. It's not a very high coverage foundation. This is a medium coverage foundation. Also, the one that I'm using is a matte foundation, so this will give you a matte finish. So it's great for oily skin or a normal skin. If you have a dry skin, you can add some serum oil or whatever to make it a bit dewy or keep your skin very moisturized before you apply it. But yes, overall it feels really great on the skin.
So guys, this is how the face looks after the application of the foundation. Looks of course much more better, but this is a very light to medium coverage foundation, I would say, because can you still see my spot? Well, I can. So you know, these spots are still visible. So this is something I would suggest for an everyday use. It feels absolutely great on the skin. I really don't feel as if I'm wearing makeup. However, if I wear Huda Beauty foundation, I feel so thick and so heavy on my face because it is a high coverage foundation and it stays much longer. So I don't know how long will this stay. I will definitely give you a feedback about that because I'm going to keep this on for the rest of the day and see how it looks. So guys, it's been 4 hours since I wore this Maybelline Fitme foundation, and you can see my skin looks really fresh still, and the foundation is still there on my face. Like it feels as if I'm just wearing a BB cream, but yet it has given me a nice light coverage, which is enough for the daytime. In fact, right now in the daylight my skin looks better. Well, if you'll ask me if you should buy Maybelline Fitme foundation, well, I would say I would definitely keep something like this in my makeup kit because it's a very light foundation, great for everyday use. If I don't want a heavy coverage, or if I don't feel like wearing makeup but still I just want that little flawless finish on my face, I would definitely keep something like this in my makeup kits. And, as it says Fitme, it will definitely fit your skin and blend very well with your skin. So I would say yes, great for the pricing, great for the packaging and the quantity. So definitely a yes for a Maybelline Fitme foundation, but only for everyday use. So guys, I hope this review was helpful for you all. If you want to know more about what brands you should invest in, then let me know, drop in the comment or DM me on Insta and I will reply back soon.